Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins are pumping all of a sudden. It looks like the stock market is going to open strong. We're going to jump in charts, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, which are massively in the profits. In 4 days, it's up like 20k, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. Account pumping 601, new high on the week. Remember, like we were at 590, around 570, 590, dropped down to 558. Now we got back to 601, so it's quite a $40,000 move. Bitcoin hitting 87k. You can see where I was buying 4 days ago on the 17th, and now it's the 24th. So we're 7 days in since then, and we're pumping, which is beautiful. 88k, so 87,888 was the highest so far, up 3%. My Bitcoin trade, which I opened 4 days ago, is now up almost $17,000. It's 53% up. $17,000, which is a big trade. Bitcoin trade up 17k. I paid $204 on this trade, 17k in profit. Its funding fee is now gone positive on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. It's a $333,000 trade, which is very nice numbers. This Ethereum trade, which I opened also 4 days ago, I think. Let's check. 19th. Oh no, first opened here. So 17th. So yeah, 7 days ago is now $4,000 in the profits. 21k in 4 days, which is 7 days, which is beautiful. And these altcoins are pumping as well. I bought a lot more Uniswap today. Uni's up 4%, but you can see I bought a lot, and I posted it on X. Over on X, I was saying that I bought Uni. You can follow me over on X as well. I have 106,000 followers, which is beautiful. And you can see this is 5 days ago. Increased size in Bitcoin and Ethereum. If it's not TA, it's your imagination. The futures market looks like they're going to pump. And I said buying more Tesla stock. I added more into Tesla today as well. And I said buying more Uniswap. Added more into Uniswap on this descending wedge potential breakout, which is very nice. I think Tesla's up as well, 3.7% in pre-market. You can see all what's up. The market is quite pumpy. Everything is green. Look at this. Everything is green. The tech stocks are also up green. Let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. 4 hourly. Still the main trend line is that 69k. So just, oh no, it's moved up now. So now main trend line is 73k. Because as Bitcoin climbs the trend line, then even if it falls down, it's going to be higher on the trend line. So you can see this trend line goes back a few years. So even if it was to fall down now, it's a little bit higher. Now it's sitting at around 76k. The top, this trend line here, if it was to fall, around 73. So those are the supports now. You can see 73, 77, 80, and where you can set trades. But it is breaking out of that symmetrical triangle that I've been talking about. Yesterday, you can see it's perfectly breaking out of there right now. Exactly on target, by the way. As I say, the symmetrical triangles, they work 70% of the move. So you build pressure. 70% of this distance here would be here, and that's exactly where it's breaking out right now. You can see it, see? The target of this breakout is the base of this wedge on Bitcoin. So we're going to move like crazy, everyone. The target of this breakout, if it continues, if we don't get some bad news or something, which is predicted by TA most likely anyway, but if we don't get, then the target of this, you can see the base of this triangle is the distance that we go. So target will be 103,000, which is beautiful. If you haven't taken a trade yet, try to pull it back, wait for a retest. So what you can sometimes get is something like this, where you break out and then a retest. As I teach you in the crypto and the stock room masterclass, you build pressure, break out, retest, bounce with volume, and then you can go long. So I'd wait for a retest off there on the daily, weekly, or even on the monthly. Pull back to 84, stop loss 83. Take profit is the target, 104, 105. Risk reward is 13 times 1,400 to make 20 grand. 10x leverage will be 200 grand. That's the main trade I would take on Bitcoin. And again, my Bitcoin trades are pumping, which we opened beautifully 7 days ago, and Ethereum trades pumping, and altcoins I bought a lot of Uni, and that seems to be going up, and Ton also, Ton about even. You can see what's moved here in the markets. Tesla looks like it's going to open, and I bought more Tesla. And you can see where I was buying Tesla. Actually, I almost entered fully back into my position. If you remember, I sold at 430 up here, and then we bought mostly down around this 230 area. On average, I would say. So we're up, we saved that 41%, and then we entered back in. But just be warned that we still could go to 193 and 138. So keep some burn in case you need a DCA down. But I don't think we go below 165, to be honest. But you have to be cautious. Just DCA is always the best strategy. Join us in Telegram. There is 833 of you online. My long is already in the minus. Not sure how. It's pumping. Today, Trump is supposed to speak. He's gonna, let's see what he says. Hopefully he doesn't, nothing that speaks the market. People are discussing, join them in the conversation. This guy 100% never dismiss Bitcoin, never short Bitcoin in a bull market. I always say that. Anyone that was shorting Bitcoin recently just got destroyed. And all the links are down below under the video. Go down below. Bybit 60k bonus trading, Weex $200 bonus just for signing up, and James cryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram, which is down below. That's my updates in the market. Big congratulations whoever went long with me on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Big congratulations whoever sold Tesla with me and then DCA'd down and bought the bottom. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations everyone. Enjoy your life, manifest what you want, only think what you want to have happen. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Start trading. That's my updates in the market. Congratulations on Bitcoin.